filling a color, filling an object with a color. You just select. You make sure you are the format menu, drawing tools, format. You come to shape fill. Now you could choose one color here. You could now choose gradient. Let's go with gradient. Just come to more gradient. You could see here solid gradient fill. Now when you come to gradient fill, you could see preset. Assuming you are looking for preset, you can use the preset. You could choose a color here. Now to make it you choose color direction. You can see color. You remember? The transparency. You could adjust the brightness. Now the position. You could see something is adding up here.